Hey there, I'm Patrick. In this video, I'll show you all you need to know to keep control of your extras in BananaDesk. What is an extra in BananaDesk? An extra is any item you can sell in your property. First thing we need to do is to create it. You can do this in the settings, right in the extras section. You can create as many as you need. Once created, if you need to sell an extra, you can do it from Quick Transaction. You can choose what reservation to add it to if needed, or you can sell it to anyone not staying in your property. You can also add extras to any reservation from the Lodging Charges and Extras tab right in the reservation details. To keep control of your sold extras, you can use the Transactions tab. There you can monitor all the movements involving extras. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the chat and we'll help you right away.